How to add multiple accounts on Pinterest. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch any of your preferred web application and at the top search bar type in www.pinterest.com. Once done, make sure that you are logged into your specific Pinterest account. On your right hand side, you will see your initial. You have to expand this button. Then you will see Add Account. Click onto it. You will see three other options. You can either connect your existing account, create a new personal account, or create a free business account. In my case, I'm just gonna go with my existing account. Enter your email and your password. Once done, click on to login. And once you're done adding your credentials, if you click onto your right hand side and expand this drop down menu, you can see this another account under your accounts. And just like so, this is how you can add accounts in Pinterest. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.